Fantom at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upside after we continued to hold within our key area of support between the 0.9626 and the 1.0631. And on today's update video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas, basing my analysis on the additive structures and the Fibonacci's, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange, where you can see that on sign up you can now grab up to $50 in sign up bonuses and get a chance to earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first discussing this additive structure right here on the charts in blue, which has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. You can see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 1, then we saw a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in the formation of this wave 3, a pullback in a wave 4, and then continued pushing higher in the formation of this wave 5 in a move that peaked above the $1.4. And having seen a 5-wave structure to the upside, I believe that we completed an even larger additive count 3 to the upper side. And having seen the formation of these larger additive count 3, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of an additive count 4, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that additive count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area for that additive count 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the 0.9654 and the 1.0677, the area that I have marked here on the charts using this retarget area, an area where you can see that we saw a pullback into that area, and the area gave us a reaction to the upside in the current bounce that we are seeing at the moment. And that means that there are high chances that we could have a low in place in the formation of this wave 4, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulse to the upside in the formation of this additive count 5. And for us to confirm that we have started that impulsive movement, we first need to see a break above the significant high we made above the $1.4. So in case in the next coming hours we manage to break above the $1.4, then that will be the start of a more bullish case scenario where the minimum target areas for that additive count 5 can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the lows that we made on the 5th of August to the high in the formation of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high we made above the $1.4, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 1.5754 as our minimum target area. And the moment we fully maximize that target area and maybe we continue showing some more bullish momentum, there are high chances that we can easily push to the fib level 1.618, which lies above the 1.8641. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term here on the Fantom chart, in case we continue seeing higher prices and we also manage to break above significant highs. We also need to have in mind that whatever is playing out at the moment can also turn out to be a corrective structure, because in the formation of this wave 4, whatever we expect to see is a corrective structure where we could term this as a wave A, and then this could be a bounce in a wave B before we can finally see one more new low in the formation of that wave C, fully maximizing the minimum target area highlighted on the charts using the red target area. And for us to identify the minimum target areas for this wave B, we can use the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the high that we made above the $1.4 to the low we made below the 0.99, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 1.3122 and the 1.1982, and I can mark that target area here on the chart. And at the time of this recording, you can all see that we are now attempting to see a break to the upper side of this resistance area, and that is suggesting that there are high chances that these can turn out to be a more bullish case scenario in the formation of these wave 5. But if we get rejected within this target area, then expect one more new low in the formation of these wave C. Jumping to the daily chart, I still maintain that we got our bear market lows back in 2020 and started an impulsive movement to the upside that took us to new all-time highs above the $3.5 in a move that peaked in the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that gave us a bear market low below the 0.1733 in the formation of these Elliot wave count 2. And I believe that whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulse to the upside in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave back in 2020 to the highs, to the all-time highs, then dragging the fibs to the lows that we made below the 0.17, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 5.8061 as our minimum target area for that wave 3. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of this wave 5. And that means that the moment we fully maximize our minimum target areas in this wave 3, then Fantom will easily give us new all-time highs and possibly more than a 5x based on the current prices that we have at the moment. Then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out. And I will ensure you stay up to date.